What's the meaning of accusing? Accusing. 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 The word accusing means to charge someone with a crime or wrongdoing. It can also be used to describe a look or tone of voice that suggests someone is guilty of something. For example, you might say that someone has an accusing look on their face if they are staring at you with suspicion. Or, you might say that someone has an accusing tone of voice if they are speaking to you in a way that suggests you are guilty of something. Here are some examples of how the word accusing can be used in a sentence. The police accused the man of stealing the car. The witness gave an accusing look at the defendant. The teacher spoke to the student in an accusing tone of voice.